are shocked what happened to me. So what's the time? Let me see first. Okay, this is 9 o'clock. So hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be vlogging a day in my life when I'll be shooting for a dance video. So this was planned probably last Sunday, but then that got cancelled because I think I have already said in my last video that I was not well, I was sick, I had to cancel my shoot also. So today is Sunday and today we are shooting finally. Lot of things. Okay, so a lot of things has happened like this mascara has not helped me out. I don't know how to make things okay. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do some shitty makeup, and I don't know. I was liking few minutes. Okay, let's stop that. So yeah, today is a shoot day for my dance video, and I got ready. We were supposed to leave by 8:30, but now it's 9 o'clock already. They haven't come yet. So after my team comes, the team which is doing the video, after they come, then we're gonna leave. The makeup is done by me, so please don't judge because there's no point judging because I don't know to do makeup. I just know to put mascara. The eye looks good though. The funniest part, what happened morning, I did something else. I was like, today I'm gonna try something else, and that looks so bad on me, and that was like I could not tolerate it for 5 minutes also. I just rubbed it everything and then I had to redo my entire makeup. And lipstick बाकी है अभी. गले में कुछ नहीं पहनने वाली हूँ because I just want a very simple look for the song. And nothing else. Yeah, I feel this is mostly about it. So I will be showing you guys where and all, at what location we are going. It's a beautiful place, and the last time I went there was for a photo shoot. I'll give some pictures of my photo shoot the last time I went there. Also, one thing has happened. I was supposed to wear this color sari, but then I ended up this one because इसका जो material है ये बहुत fluffy है. It's very fluffy. It does not sticks to the body, so I could not wear that. But I'm wearing the blouse since it's going contrast. I wanted something that pops. So this is good enough. And this is the sari, South Indian sari. It's cotton and it sticks to the body, so I'm wearing this one. ये भी सुबह ही हुआ है, सब कुछ सुबह. And now I will show you the mess that I have created doing my makeup. In the meantime, we already reached. I did not shoot it the way through because I was driving. So, क्या ही दिखाना, same चीज़ें हैं. Now, this was my first take. I'll show you the view later on, like with a more good view of the entire place. This was the entire team. These 3 people are mad. They are so dedicated and hardworking. I salute to them, and they have also made me work a lot though. This was a place. It's beautiful. It's surreal. It's it's something that is a gift of North Guwahati, and although it's not preserved well, but it's beautiful. Ashok Planta is very beautiful, and this was my second time shooting there. So yeah, shooting is completed. I don't know what's the time now. Wait a second. Wait a minute. The main man behind the lens.
Hello.
Our director.
Vlog Blooper.
Manush.
Hi, Manas.
Manush is multi-talented, all-rounder. The director. He's also multi-talented though. Saurabh. Everybody is multi-talented here. Camera. Someone is on camera with light, everything.
and with a good sense of humor.
Parag, আমি কেইটা বজাত আহিছিলো এটা? When did we come here?
আমি 12টা বজাৰ পৰা শুটিং ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিলোঁ
Yeah.
পুৰা 12 বাজি গৈছে আজি
12.
12 to this is 5 almost.
12 to 5.
12 বজাৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিলোঁ আৰু এতিয়া 12 বাজি গৈছে পুৰা সকলোৰে 12 বাজি গৈছে পুৰা তোমাৰ বস্তু
ইমোশনাল হৈ গৈছে আমি চববোৰে এতিয়া পেকআপ কৰাৰ পিছত চবতছে বেছি বৰ হৈছে মা বৰ level 99,999. Hello everyone. I was so tired that I could not shoot anything further after it was a pack up. And there was nothing much also. I just drove back to home, and after that I got freshened up. Kajal is still there. I think it's going to stay for 2-3 more days. I was super tired, so I took a bath. I got freshened up. I ate something, and finally I thought like, oh god, I forgot that I have to end the vlog. So here it is, my ending of the vlog. I hope somewhat it was interesting to see, you know, how my day goes when I'm shooting. The next vlog would be probably, I don't know, I haven't planned yet, but it will be something very random. Also Durga Puja is coming and I'm so excited yet so sad because I don't know, I mean till from birth till date, like 24 years of my life, I have never have experienced a Durga Puja like this that is going to be this year. So it's actually not humanly possible to accept this kind of a Durga Puja, but I know it's very important for all of us to also be aware and be safe at home. So yeah, that's it. I'm super tired, so I'm going to sleep now. I ate something, so that's not a big deal. Good night, goodbye. Stay safe and stay healthy. Also, I wanted to say that this entire the dance video today that we shooted, that was on the song. I think I'll keep it. Let's see if I want to reveal it or not. But this entire video that was shooted was in collaboration with Amateur Production. Parag Medhi, who actually approached me first. He wanted to shoot a video, dance video. Of course it's going to be uploaded in my video, but I am so grateful to them because they have helped me in so much, like they were great, you know, selflessly they have worked such greatly, and thank you guys so much. Parag, Saurav, Manush, you three guys were great. Thank you so much, and seeing forward to work with you guys furthermore. Bye until then.